What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can game share on PS5. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So on your PS5's home screen, go to settings, and here you can scroll down and go to users and accounts. Now from this one, go to other and click on console sharing and offline play. So here you can allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. Now select this option, and remember that you can only have one PS5 with console sharing and offline play enabled. Now here select enable, and on the next screen select OK. Alright, so that is how you can share games on PS5. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.